you guys, welcome back to the channel, Our Relaxing Life. Today is yoga for kids. Now today I'm wearing Baymax, and today's theming is Baymax is your healthcare advocate for you, if you will, in the movie. Are you satisfied with your care? You remember he saying that at the end? So we're going to be doing various yoga poses containing to what Baymax might do. All right, so we're going to warm up first though. We're going to be in the standing position. And before we do that, go ahead and grab your mat. And then we're gonna get started with your kid if you have one. If you don't, it's okay. So reach up. Grab that beach ball. Reach down. Put your hands into prayer. Reach up into mountain. Put your hands together. One more time. And smile. Enjoy the sun. All right. So next we are going to do warrior two. So you're going to put your right leg out, bend it. Have your left foot out. Stretch. Look in front of you. Now you're going to go up to the front of your mat. Now you're going to put your right leg behind you, and we're going to do the same thing to the other side. Reach as far as you can. Get that good stretch in your legs. Don't overextend. Now we're gonna get into forward fold. Now Baymax, I'm sure he couldn't reach his toes either, So if you can't, it's okay. Reach as far as you can. So we're gonna start out in halfway lift. Then we're going to reach down a little bit further. If you need to, bend your knees. And then this hang there. This is called hang doll. You can swag a little bit if you need to. Let all that nice, get that good blood flowing going. Okay, whenever you're ready, put your left leg back. And then we're getting into a low lunge position. Then we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. And then you're gonna hang in there for plank. And then we're gonna get into Cobra. Put your knees down, look up. And if you want to, you can hiss. That's what snakes do. Look up. And we're gonna get into child's pose. So bend your knees generously and stretch out your arms. Have your head down on the mat. Breathe in and out. In and out. Now you can hang here for as long as you want. Pause it. All right, now we're gonna slowly come up if you want. Now you're gonna put your hands back. You're gonna do lion breath. So open up your mouth, stick out your tongue, and this pant. Now next, I want you to have your lay down, and I want you to do bicycle pose. So what you're gonna do is sit up and then put your one leg out and just bicycle. And just picture yourself bicycling to a lake or wherever you want to go. Friend's house, anywhere. You're on a laying down bike and you're just bicycling along. Now put your legs down. Lay down for a bit. And just breathe. Now, next, we're gonna get in a boat pose. So you're gonna hold your abs and you're just gonna hold your legs and you're a canoe. Just hold as long as you can. You're in that boat. You gotta save somebody. You can decide who you're saving. All right, now you're out of the boat. All right, whenever you're ready, I want to thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I got all these kid poses from my book. I will put a link down in the description below for that. And check out my bonus video that I'm gonna have on June 21st. It's for International Yoga Day / Migraine Day. I will put a link to that down below. All right, thank you for watching. Bye for now.